Hi, I'm Katya Pokrovskaya from the SAP Data Warehousing team, and I'm here at SAP Insider 2018 with Bill Ferry from Method 360, who's one of our partners. Thanks for joining, Bill.
Thanks, Katya. Thank you for having me.
So today we wanted to talk about SAP BW for HANA, and Method 360 has been working with a lot of customers who are now transitioning to BW for HANA. So Bill, I guess to start off, I really wanted to hear about some of the benefits that you've seen the customers you work with experiencing as they're moving to this product.
Well, what we've seen right now is the biggest benefit that we've seen so far is the rapid development.
Yeah.
Before, when you're using the classic BW techniques, it was a lot of back-end development, and generally took us a very long time before you can get back and talk to the business again. Now, we saw with BW for HANA, it's very agile programming, and we can actually build something out and have them involved within about a 2 weeks period.
Wow, that's significant. And how do you see this changing the collaboration between the business and IT when implementing this solution?
Well, what this makes, as a good point as you brought up, is it really brings into Agile, the Agile methodology, where you develop rapidly and then you involve the business again. The big business benefits of this is that you're keeping the business involved, and they're actually having ownership in what you're developing.
Yeah, and that's a huge benefit. Yeah, that's great. Could you tell me about a recent implementation that you've done and a kind of a success story of one of your customers moving to BW for HANA?
Sure. The project I'm working right now for the last year and a half was SAP S4 1610 and BW for HANA Greenfield. So it was a very large implementation for this SAP customer moving from their ECC and BW systems to the real-time HANA environment. They're seeing lots of benefits, such as, since it's a real-time environment, they're no longer having to wait for the data loads to happen overnight, and that way they can see the results right away.
Yeah. And that's definitely very significant in terms of the scale and the speed you can get. And can you tell me a little bit more about just how long this implementation took and some of the details of the work behind that?
So like I said before, we've been working on there for about the last year and a half. But our initial development really only took about 3.5 months, where we created over 800 open ODS views, over 255 queries, and all the supporting composite providers and calculations views for that. We're relatively a small team of about 10 people, so that was actually a lot of work done and a lot of time to support a very large implementation.
Yeah, absolutely. No, that's amazing to hear. Well, thank you for sharing your story.
Well, thank you very much for having me, Katya.